the positions of the 6 screws corresponding to the front motor guard plate. First, remove the 6 screws of the original vehicle. Install the guard plate. First, install 2 diagonal screws to fix it. Use the extended screws provided in the screw package for the 2 rear screws. Use the original vehicle screws for the other positions. After all the screws are screwed on, they can be tightened. First, remove the screws of the original vehicle. Then remove the original vehicle's clips. It's the same on the other side. Install the T-shaped screws. After putting in the washer, just tighten the nuts. By the same token, install T-shaped screws at all the clip positions, put on the washers, and then tighten the nuts. Install the rear guard plate of the battery. First, screw onto diagonal screws to fix it. There are 8 screw hole positions on each side of the rear motor. You only need to tighten the last 3 screws on both sides. The remaining ones are used to connect the front battery guard plate. Install the front battery guard plate. Similarly, first take the 2 middle screws to fix it. Then tighten the gaskets and nuts of the rest of the screws. Attention! For the 4 screws at the middle connection position, tighten them with hexagon socket head cap screws. The installation is completed.